Capricorn, my earth babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page has been a blessing to you. Check out my LinkTree. Link is in the bio. I do have some special treats there for you. Your word of the day is inner work. It's time to do the work. Do some character carving. What does not serve you? What attributes that you have carried from the past into your present that does not serve you in the present or in the future? It may be anger, resentment, guilt. It may be not having confidence. We need to let all those things that do not serve you, let that go. Fill yourself with confidence, love, prosperity, grace, gratitude, because you're headed towards the stars and beyond. But you can't hold on to those negative thoughts or those negative energies that's going to weigh you down. God brings me ideal situations for my inner healing and growth. As I become aware of my weaknesses, I turn them into strengths. Therefore, you become an all-powerful being. Just because you're born with a weakness doesn't mean you have to stay with that weakness. We always can change and continue to grow. I direct my thoughts towards the light. I see the positive stage of every part of life. Darkness turns into courage. Thus, I become stronger and I can maintain and sustain bigger blessings. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.